When you're setting up your rooms for Nowhere Metaverse, you want to make sure that you've got your mesh textured and material the way that you want it to appear in Nowhere, and that the room at minimum has a player spawn point. It should also have a collision hull that replicates the mesh as closely as possible. This generally should be a much lower resolution version of the visible mesh that's seen. For the room mesh, all visible meshes, you want to make sure that they are materialed with respect to how the scene is supposed to be lit. So there are a couple of ways of doing this. If we use a light source, an actual light or lamp, we can use the principled BSDF material node, or if we want these to be self-illuminating, we use a background node, and this will self-illuminate in Nowhere. So that's the basics. And of course, once we've got all that set up, we set the name of the project and the location it's going to be saved, and then we just click Export GLTF to export a Nowhere compatible project file.